chapter number 4, carbon and its compounds. Let's continue with the ethanoic acid, and topic is the chemical properties of ethanoic acid. When ethanoic acid combined with the alcohol, suppose ethanol, ethyl acetate will be formed and formation of water molecule. Here two arrows can be seen, not like a simple arrow. Two arrows means the process will be reversible process. Ethanoic acid combined with ethanol. Formation of ethyl acetate, CH3C double bond OO, CH2CH3 means ethyl acetate. It is called as ester. So the process will be called esterification reaction. When ethanoic acid react with base, suppose here the base is NaOH, will be remover of water molecule. So we write it in simple way, HO dash Na, it means NaOH. Sodium hydroxide, ethanoic acid CH3C double bond OH combined with sodium hydroxide, formation of sodium ethanol, CH3C double bond OONA, sodium ethanol plus water molecule. When ethanoic acid reacts with carbonates and hydrogen carbonates, CH3COOH, hydrogen carbonate, example sodium carbonate, sodium acetate will be formed, CH3COONA plus H2O plus CO2. To balance the equation, we put 2 before ethanoic acid and we put 2 before sodium acetate. When ethanoic acid combined with sodium hydrogen carbonate, here we take the example of sodium carbonate and sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium acetate will be formed. This equation already balanced sodium hydrogen carbonate, so we don't want to balance it. If you have to study chapter number 2 properly, you have to know when acid can be combined with carbonates or carbonates and hydrogen carbonate, formation of water molecule and carbon dioxide gas will be occurred. According to chapter number 2, already we know it. According to activities 4.8, 4.9, we go through the in-text question which are given on the page number 74 in the textbook. Question says us that in which way we experimentally distinguish experimentally alcohol and carboxylic acid. We distinguish the alcohol and carboxylic acid with the help of two tests. First test with sodium hydrogen carbonate test. The word is continue, not in the breaks. Sodium hydrogen carbonate test. Take 2 test tube. What will we do? Take 2 test tubes, add same amount of we take example of ethanol in the case of alcohol. Same amount of ethanol and carboxylic acid. Here we take some amount of ethanol and carboxylic acid. In both test tube we add same amount of, you called it few drops of sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. What will happen? What will conclude it? The conclusion says us that in the test tube, which is the carboxylic acid can be present, in the test tube carboxylic acid will be present. In which test tube carboxylic acid will be present? Liberation of carbon dioxide gas can be occur. But in which? In the test tube, in which test tube ethanol can be present? Not formed, or you called it Ca2 will be formed. So with the help of sodium hydrogen carbonate test, we distinguish experimentally alcohol and carboxylic acid. Another test is alkaline potassium permanganate test. Potassium permanganate means you already know KMnO4. Molecular formula of potassium permanganate is KMnO4. Another test, second test is alkaline potassium permanganate test. In same way, take 2 test tubes, add same amount of, or called it take, same amount of ethanol and carboxylic acid in each test tube and add same amount of alkaline potassium permanganate means KMnO4 in each test tube. What will be the result? What will be the conclusion, or you called it result? In the test tube which contain carboxylic in each test tube, and here we add one word. What will we can do? Take two test tube. In both test tube we take same amount of ethanol and carbon dioxide, carboxylic ethanol and carboxylic acid in each test tube. In one test tube we take ethanol and another test tube we take carboxylic acid. In both test tube we add same amount of alkaline potassium permanganate and warm it. Here the process will be and warm it and then go through the result. What the result will be says, in the test tube which contained carboxylic acid the color of potassium permanganate does not change. But in the case of ethanol, or you called it alcohol, in the case of ethanol, the purple color of alkaline potassium permanganate can be disappear. When alcohol will be present, ethanol will be present, the color of potassium permanganate disappear, purple color of potassium permanganate will be occur. And in the carboxylic acid, the color of potassium permanganate cannot change. Here we study two important carbon compounds, ethanol and ethanoic acid. In the base of their properties and two tests, you have to write exercise question number 7 with yourself. Exercise question number 7 is based on the physical properties of ethanol and ethanoic acid, and the reactions are take with the sodium hydrogen carbonate and alkaline potassium permanganate. Answer is easy, we already studied, so you have to write yourself exercise question number 7. Let's go through another theory which is related to the soaps and detergent. Let's see first what is soap. Soap is a sodium or potassium salt of long chain carboxylic acid. Soap contains two parts. One part has the long chain of hydrocarbon chain. It is called hydrophilic end. It is also called non-polar tail. Another part contains negatively charged. It is called hydrophilic end. Negatively charged polar part. It is called hydrophilic end and also called polar head. So, molecule of soap contain two parts, polar head which is called hydrophilic end and non-polar tail which is called hydrophobic end. Let's draw the structure of soap molecule. We represent two ends. The first is polar head which is called hydrophilic and head, and here non-polar tail is called hydrophobic end. So the molecule is soap molecule. Here the zigzag chain will be contain long carboxylic acid chain. It contains long hydrocarbon chain. Here start with CH3, CH2, 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 CH2 and goes on long chain. So it will be represented by zigzag pattern. Let's go with another question. Represent the structure of soap molecule and detergent molecule. See here we represent the structure of soap molecule but with two parts, polar head and non-polar tail. We represent the structure of soap molecule. Here not molecule, two parts of soap molecules. Here we represent the structure of soap molecule first and then detergent. In the structure of soap molecule, the molecule of sodium sodium carboxylate will be present. The formula is COONA. Is linked with hydrocarbon, means capital R. We represent this capital R in the structure of hydrogenation in the process of chemical properties of ethanol. Let's go through it. Draw the structure of soap molecule. So we write the pattern, zigzag pattern of this. And here we COO minus Na plus. So this is called soap molecule. The second is detergent molecule. In the case of detergent molecule of detergent contains sodium sulfonate. The formula is SO3Na. Sodium sulfonate and also link with hydrocarbon R. So here we represent it SO3 minus Na plus. Here minus plus indication can be important, so don't forget it. Detergent molecule, soap molecule and detergent molecule. Here we cover two questions related to soap and detergents. The first is, what is soap? Represented structures with two parts. One part hydrophilic end, also called non-polar tail. Another part hydrophilic. First is hydrophobic, second is hydrophilic end, and it is also called polar head. The structure of soap with two parts and the structure of soap molecule and detergent molecule.